Welcome to Stoic Reign. Imagine this. It's a quiet evening, and you're alone with your thoughts. The world feels like a storm tearing at your core. Deadlines pile up, your phone buzzes with unread messages, and a colleague's harsh words echo in your mind. But the real sting, that moment you realize you've been so busy chasing everyone else's expectations, you've lost yourself. Most would spiral, lash out, or numb the pain with endless scrolling. But you're here to reclaim your calm, forging an unshakable Stoicism mindset with Stoicism exercises that turn chaos into clarity, loss into strength. This is Stoicism exercises. Number 4, Stoic quotes to find calm in life's storm. We don't just preach Stoic philosophy. We live it, breathing it to anchor your peace. Whether you're a woman navigating a whirlwind of responsibilities, new to Stoicism for beginners, or seeking Stoicism motivation for deeper Stoicism relationships, these 10 Stoicism exercises, each paired with a Stoic quote, are your lighthouse. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into Stoicism exercises to make you resilient, centered, and free. Take Sarah, a single mom and project manager. Last month, she felt crushed by a missed promotion and her teen's distant attitude. She stumbled on Stoicism exercises and started with one we'll share today. Within a week, she found calm amidst the storm, reconnecting with her daughter and owning her work with confidence. Stoic philosophy, as Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you'll find strength, became her guide. These Stoicism lessons cut through rejection, disconnection, and digital noise. Stoicism exercises are Stoicism practices for mindfulness, productivity, and Stoicism on love. Built for busy Americans, they ground you, from Stoicism for beginners to experts in Stoicism for women. The storm doesn't own you, your response does. That's the Stoicism motivation fueling Stoic Reign. Let's craft your Stoicism daily legacy with these Stoicism exercises. 1. Inner anchor. Stoic. Quote, "What need is there to weep over parts of life? The whole of it calls for tears." Seneca. When doubt creeps in, this Stoicism exercise roots you. Each morning, sit quietly for 2 minutes and say, "My strength is my anchor." If a harsh comment hits, repeat it and refocus. Log it in your Stoic journal. This Stoicism practice reduces anxiety, ideal for Stoicism for beginners. Build your anchor with Stoicism exercises. 2. Truth filter. Stoic. Quote, "Happiness lies in ceasing to worry about what's beyond your control." Epictetus. Your mind magnifies stress. This Stoicism exercise clarifies. When overwhelmed, write, "What's the truth?" Example, "I missed a deadline." Then, "What can I control?" Like, "I'll plan better tomorrow." Review nightly. This Stoicism practice boosts self-improvement, perfect for Stoicism relationships. Sharpen your focus with Stoicism exercises. 3. Response pause. Stoic. Quote, "It's not the event that disturbs you, but your judgment of it." Marcus Aurelius. Chaos tempts impulsive reactions. This Stoicism exercise creates calm. Before responding in a heated moment, like a tense email exchange, inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, say, "I choose clarity." Reply calmly, "Let's discuss this." Log it. This Stoicism lesson reduces anxiety, great for Stoicism for women. Master calm with Stoicism exercises. 4. Worth reflection. Stoic. Quote, "True wealth is wanting less." Epictetus. Comparing yourself dims your light. This Stoicism exercise lifts mental health. Nightly, write one strength. "I handled stress well." Ask, "How can I grow it?" Like, practice active listening. Note it. This Stoicism practice strengthens Stoicism relationships. Discover your worth with Stoicism exercises. 5. Priority lock. Stoic. Quote, "Do what you must and do it well." Seneca distractions scatter focus. This Stoicism exercise centers you. Each morning, list 3 priorities. Finish my presentation, call my mom, walk 15 minutes. Skip gossip or X noise. Log a focused moment. This Stoicism lesson boosts productivity. Stay on track with Stoicism exercises. 6. Courage Rehearsal Stoic. Quote, "Your mind is your power, not external events." Marcus Aurelius. Fear stalls you. This Stoicism exercise builds bravery. Nightly, visualize a tough step, like giving feedback. Picture yourself calm, saying, "I'd like to share my thoughts." Log it. This Stoicism practice prepares Stoicism on love. Forge courage with Stoicism exercises. 7. Word Economy Stoic. Quote, "Say only what matters." Zeno of Citium. Overtalking weakens presence. This Stoicism exercise sharpens impact. In a conversation, pause 5 seconds, say, "I'll take care of it," and stop. Log it. This Stoicism lesson, ideal for Stoicism for women, makes you magnetic. Amplify power with Stoicism exercises. 8. Expectation. Shed Stoic. Quote, "Your life is built, action by action." Marcus Aurelius. Clinging to outcomes breeds pain. This Stoicism exercise frees you. Sundays, write 3 expectations. I expected approval. Ask, "Did this hold me back?" Replace with, "My work is enough." Log it. This Stoicism practice nurtures mental health and Stoicism relationships. Let go with Stoicism exercises. Barita 9. Noise Shield Stoic. Quote, "A mind anxious about the future is misery." Seneca. Social media and emails drain you. This Stoicism exercise protects focus. Block 1 hour daily, no screens. Read, breathe, or walk. If drama pulls, say, "Not my battle." Log it. This Stoicism lesson sparks mindfulness, perfect for Stoicism for beginners. Guard peace with Stoicism exercises. Kend. Stoic Forgiveness. Stoic. Quote, "To forgive is to free yourself." Epictetus. Grudges chain you. This Stoicism exercise liberates. When hurt, write, "They acted from their limits." Choose peace over anger. I release this. Log it. This Stoicism practice, vital for Stoicism on love, heals. Embrace freedom with Stoicism exercises. Right now, pause for 10 seconds. Breathe deeply. Feel the storm, but know you're the lighthouse. These 10 Stoicism exercises, from inner anchor to Stoic forgiveness, are your tools to transform chaos into calm, doubt into purpose. Stoic Reign is with you, just like Sarah, who found her strength through these Stoicism practices. Start with 1 Stoicism exercise, maybe response pause for clarity, or Stoic forgiveness for peace. Commit for 7 days, track it in your Stoic journal, and watch your Stoicism mindset grow. Want more Stoicism motivation? Subscribe to Stoic Reign for Stoicism daily insights to keep you grounded. Share in the comments, which Stoicism exercise speaks to you? Truth filter to cut through stress, or priority? Lock to own your day. Your voice inspires our Stoicism community. This is your calm, your strength, your reign. Build a legacy of resilience that stands forever.